When I make sausages like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. Start by cutting 500 grams of hot dog sausages. Cut them in half, then cut them into very thin slices. They should look like this. Now, transfer to a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix well to combine. This is the right mix. Then, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 liter of vegetable oil. And when the oil is hot, add the hot dog sausages we prepared and fry them until golden brown. This is the right point. Remove them from the hot oil and set them aside on a plate lined with paper towels. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. After doing that, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a drizzle of vegetable oil, 3 crushed garlic cloves, green onions to taste, and fry for 2 minutes. After this time has passed, add 200 grams of tomato sauce, 200 milliliters of water, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of chimichurri, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and mix well to combine. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Finally, add the hot dog sausages we prepared, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, and mix once more. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. To serve, cut a bun in half, fill it with the sauce we prepared. To taste, add mayonnaise to taste and mustard to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe.